It's another episode again. I welcome you all to my channel where we discuss about real estate. So I'll be discussing about few branches in real estate that you and I need to know that investor will not tell you. As a newbie or as a middle level investor or maybe a beginner intending to be, if you are confused about the kind of lands to invest in, don't scroll. This channel is where we discuss about the pro and con of real estate. I am Olashego Oluwasegun. Do you know that buying of land is very important, and but knowing the kind of land you want to buy is also very important. It's very necessary because we have three major types of land. One, we have land banking. What does land banking mean? When you hear bank, what does that mean? By saving some land. That means you can as well secure some land in remote areas or developed areas. You can buy land maybe in your village, some areas that has not developed, or some areas that you have projections that okay, this area will be developed in next 2 or 3 years. You can as well land bank because you want to save your money, because it's better to land bank than keeping your money in bank. Do you get it now? This is one of the most important areas too in real estate that a lot of young investors use to make money. Because let's assume you are buying any property at rate of 1 million naira. Because investors will not tell you that when you buy today, don't flip. Hold it for a very long period of time, because it's going to give you huge return. Like you buy the property at the rate of 1 million naira. In next 2, 3 years, 4 years, that same land can as well generate up to 5 million per plot. Do you get it now? This is when you can buy in acres, hectares to keep. When you are buying land, you are buying raw land, holding for a long period of time, because it's going to give you ROI, and the risk is very small because it has very low entry cost. You don't need to pressure yourself. You don't need to go and borrow loan before you start. You can as well start small with what you have. The kind of money you will need to invest is very, very small, because you don't need to kill yourself or sell your kidney before you can buy, before you can land bank. You don't need to sell your kidney before you can land bank, because it's very, very easy to do. If you're a seasonal investor or maybe a newbie, then as well start with that, because it has passive growth. Do you get it? What I'm talking about is the risk. It's only the maybe you can fall under acquisition. That is why you need to chart that property before investing. If you are buying up to an acre or if you are buying an hectares, do you get it now? Another example is land retailing. Number two, land retailing. Buying a land in Ekwe for a long period of time or for a short period of time or in Ibejuleki in form of retailing. What do I mean by retailing? Do you know the land you land bank? If the area is developed, like assuming you buy in acres now, in hectares, you can as well turn it to retail. Or if you are buying a land, which you are buying in form of retail, and how can you make money? These three segments that I've been mentioning is very, very important, because land banking is good, and also retailing. Retailing give high return on investment, because you can as well sell within 12 months. You don't sell it. You can as well buy that property at the rate of 2 million and you sell it at the rate of 5 million, because one, it's developed area. It's areas like Ekpe, Omo axis, where we have different infrastructure. That is the areas that is very good for retailing. Investing in retailing land is like buying a land at a discount price, selling it at market price quickly. You get it now? You can as well buy small before you know it now. It has fast turnover. People will invest because it's a developed area. It's urban, not a rural area. It's not like land banking. You understand? Market timing, holding cost and competition. Those are the things. So land retailing is just like you are buying property at a discount price and you are selling it at current market price, because it's going to give you fast return on investment, and it's going to increase your return in terms of quality, in terms of rapid growth, because it's an urban area. Just like you're buying a property in Ekwe presently, the return will be so high that it cannot be even be comprehended when you are seeing the return. Let's assume you buy the property at rate of 2.5, oh, 2.5, and within a space of 6 months, the land can appreciate to 4.5 million. That is retailing. You buy and sell, and before you can buy and sell, that area should be proximity to where we have different infrastructures like airports, like refineries, or production sites. You get it now? So those are the things. When we're talking about the risk is market timing, competition, also holding costs or maintenance costs. You get it now? So the third one, which is three, land development. Land development. land develop. This particular one now deal with high return. It's just like you are moving from stage 1 to stage 2 to stage 3, or let me just say you're in stage 10 now. When you move to retailing, that means you've expand, you diversify your investments. It will move from that 20 to from that 10 to 50. Did you get it now? And from 50 now, that is where we are talking about land developed. In a developed, in a well-developed area, it moved from that 50 straight to 99%. You get it now? That is where we have unit apartment. You can as well develop to build a unit apartment, maybe on 10 plot of land. You build several apartment like detached, semi-detached, terraces, and halls, and so on and so forth. This is a good return on investment. This 3 stage, if you are young investors and you have the money, or a seasonal investor or an OG investor, these are the 3 stages you need to think about. Take your step according, cut your coat according to your size. If you're a young investor, start with land banking. From there, you move toward straight to land retailing. You buy and sell just like an estate. That's what all developers do these days. They buy and sell. They buy and sell. Buy and flip. You get that? When I'm talking about development, that is what we have like Divana. And we also have like a capital apartment where we sell units of apartments. We buy all the land and we're going to develop. We are developing it. Presently, we're in stage 3 of development. You get it now? We build, then we sell. Let's assume you buy the land. You buy the land at rate of. Let's assume you bought the land. You bought the land at 65 million. Due diligence, everything to construction stage. To construction stage, we have let's say construction stage we have 100 million. Construction change to luxuries and everything. Let's say okay, the luxury is 50 million. The total of this now is two two 205 million to build it. We'll spend this amount of money. Okay, now if you want to resell now, that means you'll be selling nothing less than 350 million. And if you are going to approximate this, you've already a millions of naira, 100 millions you have already been gotten from this. That is where land developed is more expensive and more appreciative than land banking and land retailing. Land retailing is just like you are moving from steps. As a young investor, if you want to start estate, you can start with land banking, or as a young investor or a seasonal investor, you can as well start from land banking. From land banking, you move to retailing. And if by that time you spread your tentacle, you'll be able to start land develop like the way we have properties now in Java and Funab axis. We are building a student hostel in that axis. Now you can buy a studio apartment, you can buy as well buy 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom apartments. Also, the unit apartment, the studio apartment in Divana is selling for 11 million now. We also have in Akokaya axis where you can as well buy to live. You get now. These are the steps you need to follow as a young investor, as a seasonal investor. Take action today. And which of these now will you like to invest in? Is it the land banking, land retailing, or land development? Take decision today. Start, because procrastination kills faster than bullets. Take away. I am Olaosego Oluwasegun, lead consultant for brands, property and real estate. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Turn on the notification so you'll be able to see more of our videos, because our videos do drop every midweek and some of our short videos. Subscribe. I wish you nothing but long life with property with good title. DM today, let's get you started. Take action today. Let's get you started. See you, my dear. Thank you.